Hello children, hope all are doing well. This is Jemima ma'am. Today I will teach you Literature Chapter 1, A Box of Crayons. A Box of Crayons is a simple poem that encourages us to be friendly and helps us to understand the joy of sharing. Sharing brings us happiness. We must always try to share things with our friends, brothers, and sisters. Let me first read the poem aloud for you and then I will explain it to you stanza wise. Here we begin. I have a box of crayons, all shiny, straight, and new. I lend a friend one crayon and oops, it breaks in two. My friend says she is sorry, but I say I don't care. As now we both can color, with one crayon we can share. We'll come to the first stanza. First two lines. I have a box of crayons, all shiny, straight and new. Here we come to know that the child has a box of crayons and the crayons are not old but they are new. The crayons are all shiny, they are straight and they are new. Obviously, new things are always the best. Next line. I lend a friend one crayon and oops, it breaks in two. What is the meaning of the word lend over here? The meaning of lend is to give something to someone for a short time. For example, in the classroom, when your friend asks for a pencil, you lend your pencil to your friend. In the same way, the child also lends one crayon to his friend. And oops, it breaks in two. And what happens to the crayon? The crayon breaks in two. Maybe by mistake, the friend breaks the crayon and now there are two crayons. We will move to the next stanza. My friend says she is sorry, but I say I don't care. As now we both can color, with one crayon we can share. Now the crayon has broken and what the friend says? The friend says that she is sorry. The friend apologizes. Usually when we do mistake, we also say sorry. So friend is also saying sorry. And what the child replies? The child replies that I don't care. The child doesn't care. When someone breaks our things, we get very angry. That too new. The crayons are new. But the child is not angry. The child says, I don't care. Why the child says, I don't care? We will get the answer in the next line. As now we both can color, with one crayon we can share. The child says that now there are two crayons and both of them can color and share. Friend breaks the crayon. Instead of getting angry, the child says that he doesn't care because he takes this thing in a positive way. He says, okay, the crayon has broken into two. So now we are having two crayons. So we both will share and color. It's a simple poem, a lovely poem. What you understand from this poem? That we must always try to experience the joy of sharing because sharing brings us happiness. We must always try to share things with our friends, brothers and sisters. So we have come to the end of the poem. Now your homework is you have to learn the poem A Box of Crayons. I repeat, learn the poem A Box of Crayons. Then we will move to the exercises. Turn the page, page number 12. Here, words to know. These are the word meaning. Lend. Put a tick mark on lend. and underline the meaning. To give something to someone for a short time. We have discussed previously the meaning of lend and you have to learn the meaning. Then we will move to the comprehension questions. Exercise A, exercise B, put a tick mark and put a cross in exercise C. We will not do exercise C. The question answers of poem will not be done. You have to do the exercises in the literature book itself. I repeat, you have to do the exercises in the literature book itself. Exercise A. Tick the correct answer. 2 options are given. You have to choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Number 1. The child had a box of dash. Pencils, crayons. The child had a box of crayons. So write here crayons. C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. Number 2. The child lends 1 crayon to a dash. Pet, friend. Obviously, the child lends the crayon to his friend. Put a tick mark in friend and write here friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Then exercise B. Write T for true and F for false. If the sentence is correct, you will write true, and if the sentence is wrong, you will write false. So instead of writing the full, you can use capital T and capital F. Number 1, the crayons are old. Are the crayons old? No, the crayons are new. So this sentence is incorrect. So you will write here false, capital F. Then number 2, the friend breaks a crayon. Yes, the friend breaks a crayon. So the sentence is correct. You will write here true, capital T. Number 3, the friend is angry. Is the friend angry? No. The sentence is wrong. It is incorrect. So you will write here false, capital F. Now we will move to the next page, page number 13. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with AI. You have to just fill up the blanks by writing AI. S-A-I-L, sail. T-A-I-L, tail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. P-A-I-N-T, paint. Then exercise B. Fill in the blanks with A-Y. You have to fill up the blanks by writing A-Y. D-A-Y, day. R-A-Y, ray. C-L-A-Y, clay. P-L-A-Y, play. Now exercise C. Read these words aloud. You will read these words at home. Then exercise D. Write C for things you see in classroom and H for things you see at home. You can see the picture of few things given here. The things that you can see in the classroom, you will write their capital C, and the things that you can see at home, you will write their capital H. First one is water bottle. Water bottle you can see in the classroom, so capital C. Soap you can see at home, capital H. Chalk and duster, classroom, so capital C. Mirror, home, so capital H. Blackboard, classroom, so capital C. Refrigerator you can see at home, so capital H. Television you can see at home, so capital H. Now we'll turn the page, page number 14. Put a tick mark in exercise A and put a cross in exercise B. We will not do exercise B. Exercise A. Match the following to make sentences. 2 columns are there, words are given. You have to match these words and form a sentence. I will read. I have, the crayon broke, my friend said, we can. Column B. Sorry, shade the colors, a box of crayons into 2. You have to match and form a new sentence. I have, the child has a box of crayons. So write here number 1. The crayon broke into how many pieces? The crayon broke into 2. So write here into 2, write here number 2. My friend said, what did the friend say? The friend said sorry. So write here number 3. Number 4, we can share the colors. So write here number 4. So we have come to the end of the lesson. I have prepared some dictation words of this lesson, a box of crayons. Here are the words. So what you have to do? You have to write these words in your dictation copy and also learn it. I repeat, you have to write these words in your dictation copy and also learn it. I'll just read it aloud for you. Crayons, number 1. Number 2, shiny. Number 3, straight. Number 4, new. Number 5, lend. Number 6, friend. Number 7, color. Number 8, oops. Number 9, breaks. Number 10, sorry. Number 11, care. Number 12, both. Number 13, share. Number 14, now. Number 15, says. So we have come to the end. Hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you.